Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can backtest a strategy on TradingView. So let's get right into it. TradingView is a very useful service if you are in the trading business. You can use it for a lot of analytical stuff, such as viewing charts, creating watch lists, extracting data, and so on and so forth. And you can also make trades through it if you're connected to a broker. Now, you can also backtest strategies which you have created on TradingView, and I'm going to explain how to do that right now. And I'm going to be using this Financial Tech Whiz article simply because it is more convenient and easily for me. Now, as you can see, there are two separate varieties of backtesting. One is the manual backtesting, where you can use the bar replay function, where you can manually simulate trades based on historical price data, and you can also do automated backtesting. You can use the strategy tester, where you can run automated strategies programmed in PineScript, and the which is the TradingView programming language. Now, how to do this? If you want to do it manually, open up a TradingView chart, select the instrument and daily time frame you would like to backtest. Click on the replay icon in the top menu bar of the chart. Set the start date and the time for the replay by clicking on the chart. Control bar playback using the play or forward functions. Begin backtesting by progressing through the daily bars until your strategy's trade setup parameters are satisfied. Set up the trades using your buy or sell position tool and record results in your trading journal. Then repeat the process with as much data as you want. To use the strategy tester, just click the strategy tester, load your strategy, select a strategy from the pre-made strategies or use your own, and then analyze the performance by looking at the entries and exits on the chart and viewing the list of trades at the bottom of the screen. And that really is all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.